Royal girl Olayemi Akinola. Today, let's talk about different financial accounts that you should have in 2024. And for me, I would say you should have four main financial accounts. And we're going to start from number one, which is the basic one that you should have. We call it the checking account. What is your checking account? That's the most common type. It's where most people receive their paychecks and all that. So via direct deposit, and you use it for your day-to-day activities. You want to buy your groceries, you want to pay your recurrent bills, you want to do a lot of things. Yes, you should have your checking account. And then this checking account, we have different types. So we have some that still give you 0.01%, and we have some that we call them high yield checking accounts. They can go as high as 1.5%. So if you want to know, just do your research, know the banks that operate those accounts, and you can manage your day-to-day activities or billings accounts and all that on your checking account. Then the second important account that you should be having in 2024 is what I call the savings account. Now, savings account should hold your money for specific purpose. You should not mix it together with checking account. It shouldn't be where you are taking your recurrent bills. It shouldn't be where you are taking your daily groceries bills and all that. No. So if you want to buy all those things, that should go into your checking account. But when we're talking about savings account, you want to talk about maybe saving for emergency fund, or you want to just look at it as a piggy bank. You can't just go there anyhow, even though your money is safe and all that, but that it should be for a specific purpose. So, and your savings account should have interest. If your savings account is not giving you any interest, my dear, that is not a savings account for me. I would just say that's a piggy bank, or that's a piggy box, or whatever. But when you're talking about savings account, your savings account should give you it should save your money, guarantee that protection, and a little bit of passive growth. Some have as low as 3.5% and some as 4.6%, and that some can go as high as 5.5%. All you need is to do your research. We have a lot of online banks that are doing high yield savings account. They are very safe. They are also FDIC insured. Those are the things you have to know before you start your savings account, and you should know that it's for specific purpose. So just know that you don't want to break it anyhow, because they all have their own terms and conditions. They have their restrictions, because you can't be using them on a daily basis for transactions. So most of them will not even allow such, as in the policy will not allow you to be taking it out anyhow. So what you need to know is that you need to restrict the urge of just spending anyhow with savings accounts, and you know that okay, when you need it, number one, when you have yield savings account, it helps you to reach your goal faster, and also because of course it might not really generate very high interest rates, but yeah, it will give you something. So look for a reputable financial institution, financial banking industry, that offers high yield savings account, and you can start right away. The third important account that you should have in 2024 is your retirement account. If you do not have your retirement account, you are just shooting yourself in the leg. Now, this is for a long-term purpose. It is not for a short-term or for emergency fund, right? You're having that account for future purpose. We have different retirement account. Are you working? Are you on W2? Is your employer matching up contributions for you? If your answer is yes, then use up that opportunity and create one retirement account so that your employer too can match for you. I call it free money. So it's always good that you have your retirement. Number one, it gives you that peace of mind that at least you are planning something for your future as well. And if you are not working in a place whereby your employer is giving you or matching you any contribution, then I would rather suggest that you open what we call IRA. It's called individual retirement accounts. So when you open your IRAs, it's gonna help you to be putting something there. And of course, don't just want to create IRA and start just like that. You have to do your research and get maybe a financial professional, to guide you in creating one, and then to know what you are putting in it and how it grows into the future for you. Most people that do IRA, they prefer after, of course, it's always after tax Roth IRA. So what account are you having? We have different retirement account. We have annuity. Do you want to do annuity? Contact me. I'm a financial professional. I would love to get you started on annuity. Annuity is a one-time investment plan for retirement. You put your money, it's just like a seed that you put on a fertile ground that has sunlight, that has rainfall and all the nutrients, and then you walk away. What happens after 10 years? Oh, the seed has grown into a gigantic tree with fruits that you can then pluck. With annuity, you can start getting, it also offers the death benefit and all that as well. So you want to get started with annuity, I'm available. Yeah. All right. So let's talk about the last one. Then I can call the last one brokerage account. Brokerage account is your store where you do your maybe money, what's it called? Stock, bonds, crypto, whatever investment plan that you want to think about. Now, I would say you should tread carefully. I'm talking from experience and from, different testimonies I've received from different clients. When you have a brokerage account and nobody is managing it for you, but you are just jumping from one place to another. Oh, Amazon is selling, I want to buy Amazon shares. This one is selling, I want to buy Netflix, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. Number one, have you considered your risk tolerance? If your answer is no, then you need to sit down with a financial professional to look at what is your risk tolerance. What can you do that when you have loss, you will not have high blood pressure? And when you gain, you will be very happy, right? So also, you want to also work with a financial professional to ensure that all these accounts are effective, working properly, smoothly, and then also for you to have those accounts, you must have beneficiary attached to them. Have beneficiary attached to your account. Don't just leave your account just like that. Just make sure that you have everything in place. This will give you rest of mind, and it's also a means of diversifying your portfolio into the future. I hope I've been able to appreciate a lot about what you should be having in different financial accounts in the year 2024. Once again, I remain your loyal girl, Olayemi Akinola. Do well to contact us for any of your index accounts such as life insurance, annuity accounts, college planning, education, different things as regarding refinances in the family. We'll be happy to work with you on the journey of life. Thank you and God bless. Bye.